You've committed yourself to manifesting, spending time and effort to make your wishes known to the universe. But a burning question arises during your journey. That question is, how can you truly know when your manifestations are coming to fruition? Prepare to unravel the mystery as we dive into the depths of the 7 profound signs that will illuminate your path and confirm that your desires are swiftly manifesting. Make sure to watch this video to the end so that you don't misinterpret these 7 profound signs that have the potential to completely transform your life. Seize the transformative potential of these divine signals. Join us on this enchanting journey. Unleash the boundless possibilities, embrace the signs, trust the process, and witness the incredible power of the universe conspiring in your favor. The first sign that your manifestation is taking shape is an electrifying surge of inner excitement filled with emotion. It's that spark that ignites within you, creating a contagious energy that permeates every aspect of your being. This excitement is not merely fleeting enthusiasm. It's a deep knowing that something extraordinary is unfolding in your life. Embrace this feeling and let it fuel your actions. The vibrant energy and emotions radiating from within you are signs that your desires are aligning, and you must trust in the process. You'll notice a profound shift in your overall energy and emotions. You become a magnet, attracting positivity, joy, and abundance into your life. This vibrant energy acts as a powerful beacon, drawing opportunities, people, and resources that align with your desires. It reflects your inner alignment and serves as a magnet for further manifestations. You must allow this electrifying surge of inner excitement, vibrant energy, and emotions to flow through you. This is part of the process of the universe, infusing every aspect of your life with joy and enthusiasm. This gives you the feeling that your desire has already happened. Embrace the possibilities before you and watch your manifestations unfold wondrously. Remember, your excitement is an invitation to the universe, signaling your readiness to receive your desires. It's important not to fight these emotions. You must allow yourself to bask in this vibrant energy and trust that your manifestation is on its way. The second thing you will begin to notice is synchronicities. Synchronicity is defined as the simultaneous occurrence of events that appear significantly related but have no visible causal connection. These enchanting moments of cosmic alignment are the second sign that your manifestation is gaining momentum. Synchronicities are like little winks from the universe, confirming that you're in perfect harmony with the grand tapestry of life. They may come in serendipitous encounters, unexpected opportunities, or even signs and symbols that carry a profound meaning for you. Pay close attention to these magical occurrences and contemplate their significance. Synchronicities remind us that we are not alone on this journey and that the universe is conspiring in our favor. Embrace the interconnectedness of all things and trust in the divine orchestration unfolding before your eyes. Here are a few examples of synchronicities you might encounter on your manifestation journey. You will randomly meet the right person. You've been visualizing and affirming a fulfilling romantic relationship. Suddenly, you bump into someone who shares your passions and values, and there's an immediate connection. This serendipitous encounter is a synchronicity, indicating that the universe is aligning you with a potential partner who resonates with your desires. You may also notice things start happening with perfect timing. Imagine you've been diligently working towards a job promotion, manifesting and envisioning yourself in a higher role. Just as you're feeling a bit discouraged, an unexpected opportunity arises. A colleague from another department recommends you for a position that aligns perfectly with your aspirations. This synchronicity signifies that the universe is orchestrating events in impeccable timing to support your professional growth. You will start noticing repeated numbers and symbolisms everywhere. Imagine you've been desiring financial abundance and practicing abundance affirmations. One day, you stumble upon a series of repeating numbers, such as 1111, 444, or 888, on your digital clock, license plates, and even receipts. This repetitive symbolism acts as a synchronicity, reminding you that abundance is flowing towards you and urging you to maintain a positive mindset. You will begin to find yourself in relevant conversations, Imagine you've been manifesting a career change and exploring new opportunities. While waiting at a coffee shop, you overhear a nearby conversation between two strangers discussing a job opening in your desired field. Intrigued, you strike up a conversation and learn more about this opportunity. This synchronicity aligns you with valuable information and connections that can potentially lead you to your dream job. Remember, synchronicities are deeply personal and unique to each individual. Pay attention to the occurrences that feel meaningful and aligned with your desires. These synchronicities serve as signs from the universe, guiding you towards the manifestation of your dreams. Stay open, receptive, and curious, for synchronicities often reveal themselves when we are in a state of heightened awareness. Trust in the synchronicities and signs that guide you towards the next right move. The third sign that your manifestation is on the way is the blossoming of your intuition. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery and aligning with your desires, you'll notice a remarkable increase in your intuitive abilities. Your inner voice becomes clearer, guiding you towards inspired actions and decisions that are in perfect alignment with your goals. Intuition whispers subtle messages, urging you to trust your instincts and venture into uncharted territories. Trust in this inner guidance, for it is your compass on the path of manifestation. By honing your intuitive powers, you unlock a profound source of wisdom that connects you to the universal flow of abundance. Inspired action is the fourth sign that your manifestation is taking form. It's not just about wishful thinking or passively waiting for your desires to materialize. Instead, it's about embracing a proactive mindset and taking aligned steps towards your goals. An inspired action is a bridge that transforms your dreams into reality. These actions will feel effortless, propelled by a deep sense of purpose and passion. Remember, it is through your inspired actions that you co-create with the universe, paving the way for your desires to manifest in miraculous ways. The fifth sign is the showing and the momentum of your gratitude with everything you do. You will begin to cultivate a genuine sense of gratitude that will help you create a fertile ground for abundance to flourish. You will notice how appreciative you become of the blessings and small wins that come your way. Celebrate each step forward, no matter how seemingly insignificant. By acknowledging and expressing gratitude for what you already have, you attract more reasons to be grateful. Gratitude is a magnet for abundance, and it shifts your focus from lack to abundance. So immerse yourself in the energy of gratitude and watch as the universe showers you with even more blessings. Surrender is the sixth sign that your manifestation is well underway. You will begin to find yourself releasing the need for control and understanding of every move in your life, but more so, begin trusting in the divine timing of the universe. Surrendering means letting go of the grip of expectations and allowing the manifestation to unfold naturally. When you surrender, you create space for miracles to occur. Trust that the universe knows the perfect time and the perfect way to bring your desires into reality. Let go of the how and the when and surrender to the flow of life. Embrace the journey with open arms and an open heart, and you'll find that the universe will exceed your wildest expectations. Finally, the seventh sign that your manifestation is on the way is that everything begins to fall apart. I know this one can seem contradictory and scary, but you must embrace it. Imagine you've been diligently working towards manifesting a career transition. You've visualized your dream job, affirmed your skills and qualifications, and taken inspired action. However, just as you're on the brink of realizing your desires, you face a series of unexpected challenges. Your current job becomes increasingly demanding and stressful, leaving you drained and discouraged. To add to the complexity, you experience a sudden setback, an unexpected layoff that catches you off guard. A lot of people who have experienced this call it a test from the universe. When life feels like it's falling apart, have faith and trust that the universe is orchestrating something remarkable behind the scenes. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth and transformation, knowing that they are paving the way for the manifestation of your deepest desires. Stay resilient, remain focused, and watch as the pieces come together in ways beyond your imagination. Remember, You and your Father are one. As long as you believe and feel without any doubt that your desire has already been fulfilled, it has no choice but to become real. This is a universal law. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Take care.